Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in again. So this is where we left off with the engine. We painted the valve cover, painted the supercharger, which is set to the side so I don't scratch it up. What we're going to do now is we're going to clean the engine. Of course, first of all, we're going to take off the gearbox, water hoses, wiring loom, the alternator, oil cooler, and then we're going to put it on the engine stand so I have a nice view of what to do, and we can clean it up, paint it, and then after that we're going to mount everything back up again so I can put it to the side so I can work on the engine bay, but that's for another vlog. So we're going to start off with this engine. I'm going to take you guys with me. Alright, let's go. Right now, that's done. Now we can start prepping the engine, and then we can put a fresh layer of paint on it. So now the engine is painted, I can do the same thing to the gearbox, bolt it up together, and then put it aside. Alright, so cleaning up of the engine is done, painted it. Didn't do the wiring loom yet because I'm gonna modify it together with the underdash wiring loom. So for now, the engine can stay here until I get the rest sorted, the engine bay and the wiring looms, and after that we can put the engine back in. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Hope you liked the video, and hope to see you back in about 2-3 weeks for the next vlog. Maybe it's the Civic Coupe, maybe it's the Ridgeline, I'm not sure yet. If you want to see some more build pictures, check my Instagram up here. And yeah, see you next time.